Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. This is the view of our model. We will recreate this model using NX. For that, first go to the file, new, choose model. Our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter. Specify the file name, specify the location, save OK. First we'll start with this L shape. For that, go to the sketch, right plane, save OK. Take the line, start from here, then here, then here, here, here. This yellow color indicates that you have reached this line. Close it. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. This line is inclined. Make it horizontal. Now specify the dimension. This one is 100. Say yes. Press the roller to confirm. And this height is 80. Press the roller to confirm. This thickness is 20 mm. Press the roller to confirm. This height is 30 mm. Press the roller to confirm. Now you can see the sketch is fully defined. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Make the symmetric value. Total extrusion length is 70. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have modeled this L shape. Then go for the cylinder. For that, go to sketch. Select the surface. Make sure your red color arrow is in the right side always. Save OK. Then only you will get the proper view. Orientation, sketch view. Then take the circle. Before that, take a line. Make sure you are in the entire assembly. Then only you can able to select the previous model points. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller. This dimension is make it 90. And make this line as a construction line. Then take the circle. Draw a circle. Press the roller to confirm. The diameter of the circle is 40. Press the roller to confirm. The center of the cylinder is 25 mm from the top edge. From here to this point, the distance is 25. Press the roller to confirm. Then go for finish sketch. Extrude. Total extrusion length is 40. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created the cylinder. Then go for the this hole as well as this hole. For that, use the standard hole. Place this hole. To get the hole here, move your cursor to the edge of the circle. Then you will get the proper hole. The diameter of the hole is 20. Normal to face. Until next, subtract, say apply. Now the second hole is here. Just place it here. This dimension is 0. And here it is center. The value is 35. And the diameter is 40. Normal to face. Until next, subtract, say OK. Now we have created both things. Now simply just right click here. Orient view, isometric view. In that, we have finished all the feature of this component. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.